we are going to read Chapter 14, Goodbye Silver, Hello Sticks. After weeks of intensive therapy, Peg is finally ready to walk again with her newly arrived walking sticks. 2 weeks after I got my sticks, Miss Ballard told me I was strong enough to use them exclusively. I didn't need Silver anymore. "You gave me a lot of good rides," I whispered as I patted Silver's side for the last time. I blinked back tears, feeling foolish. I had looked forward to this day for months, and now that it was here, I was all weepy about leaving my wheelchair behind. Silver had carried me to school, distributed countless treats, and taken me safely to OT, my sessions with Miss Ballard, and visits with my other patients, and special events in the sunroom. I'd had many fine times, including my 13th birthday in that wheelchair. As I thought about them, I realized that even if I had never grown strong enough to leave Silver, I still would have been able to lead a happy life. I took Silver for a farewell trip, which ended with a high-speed dash down the hall, a screech of brakes, and a final shout of, "Hi-yo, Silver, away!" Teetering on the 2 rear wheels, I tipped farther back than I had ever gone before. It was a terrific last ride.